Welcome back to the AI in healthcare. That's a big umbrella we have. So AI in healthcare, if this was the big umbrella we were going to cover in our AI for healthcare, then the things that'll hang under this umbrella would be medical imaging. We'll also cover, obviously, NLP in healthcare. So this is like a big sort of, the selection that we're making. And applications. So basically, these are the three big things which we're going to be covering in this multi-part AI, machine learning, deep learning series for healthcare. So what are we going to be covering in the medical imaging? Are going to be a couple of things. So let's kind of, give that a bit of a color. So we're going to be covering general concepts. What did I do? I did something interesting. In cancer imaging, we are going to cover imaging technologies, obviously. Imaging technologies. We're gonna, and the stuff that we're going to be covering here is things like X-ray based systems. We're going to be covering magnetic resonance imaging. We're going to be covering single photon and PET, which stands for positron emission tomography. What we're also going to be covering is, let me just remove this, so just to make sure that what we're also going to be covering is under medical imaging will be imaging in animal models, imaging animal models. We're then going to obviously cover emerging imaging technologies. And finally, obviously, deep learning or machine learning in medical imaging. So these are the topics we're going to be covering. So in the next class, we're going to cover this guy, general concepts of cancer imaging. So I'll see you guys in the next class, and we're going to go dive deeper into these general concepts.